Understanding the phrase, pouring rain, an English learning guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common and picturesque phrase in English, pouring rain. This phrase vividly describes a certain type of weather, and understanding it will not only enhance your vocabulary but also your comprehension of English language nuances. The phrase, pouring rain, refers to a very heavy rainfall. It's not just a light drizzle or a moderate rain, but an intense downpour where the rain seems to be falling in sheets. Imagine water being poured out of a bucket. That's how heavy the rain is in this description. This term is often used to describe a kind of rain that can lead to soaked clothing and puddles on the ground very quickly. Let's see how this phrase can be used in various sentences. I forgot my umbrella, and I got caught in the pouring rain. The pouring rain didn't stop the football players. They continued their game. You can hear the sound of the pouring rain against the roof. These examples show how pouring rain can be used to describe a situation, an action taking place during a heavy rain, or even the sensory experience of the rain. There are other expressions in English that also describe heavy rain. For instance, it's raining cats and dogs. This is a humorous way to describe very heavy rain. A torrential downpour. This is a more formal way to describe an extremely heavy and sudden rainfall. Understanding these similar expressions can help you enrich your English vocabulary and expression. And that's a wrap on pouring rain. I hope this video has been enlightening and has added a new phrase to your English repertoire. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances and vivid expressions like this one. Stay tuned for more interesting English phrases and idioms in our future videos.